Imagine this. You have a brilliant business idea, but the daunting challenge of securing funding looms over you like a dark cloud. This is a reality for many aspiring entrepreneurs. But what if I told you there's a free workshop designed specifically to illuminate the path to funding your business? Next week, some of Baton Rouge's most prominent business minds will gather for a morning workshop that promises to equip entrepreneurs and small business proprietors with valuable insights into various funding avenues. It will cover everything from non-dilutive capital, such as grants and competitions, to debt financing and equity investment options. Set to take place on August 27th from 9 a.m. to noon at the main library at Goodwood. This event is being hosted by the Alliance, and best of all, it's completely free and open for the public to attend. A distinguished lineup of panelists will share their knowledge and experiences, featuring Tony Zanders from Nexus, Louisiana, Craig Gehring of Mastery Prep, Chris Meaux of Kimana, and Will Campbell of B1 Bank. Stuart Gilly, CEO and co-founder of the Alliance, highlights the importance of this event by stating, "Access to funding remains one of the most critical challenges for our small businesses and startups. And we believe this session will be especially valuable for Baton Rouge's entrepreneurial ecosystem." This perspective raises an interesting point. How do we balance innovation with the realities of financial access? The workshop itself will consist of 4 engaging panels designed to address different aspects of funding. These include 1. The capital landscape, mapping your funding options. 2. Non-dilutive capital, grants, competitions, incentives. 3. Debt capital, banks, SBA alternative lenders. 4. Equity capital, angels, VCs, strategic investors. By breaking down these categories, attendees will gain a comprehensive understanding of what funding options are available to them and how to navigate the often complex financial landscape. You might wonder, what does each type of funding involve? For instance, non-dilutive capital allows businesses to receive funds without giving away ownership, which can be vital for maintaining control over your enterprise. Alternatively, equity capital can open doors to strategic investments, yet it involves sharing a portion of your business. By attending this workshop, not only will you learn about these funding options, but you will also have the chance to engage with industry leaders and expand your network. Curious to learn more? For further insights, check out a recent feature on Gilly and the Alliance in Business Report here. 3/www.businessreport.com/business-ow. Lifelong entrepreneur Stuart Gilly is turning Tuesdays into a movement. What are your thoughts on the different types of funding? Do you think giving away equity is worth it for the right investor? Share your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective.